Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool review is one of those things. It's maybe not a tool, but it's one of them things that you use with your tools to make your job more enjoyable, just to make it more comfortable experience. And this will be for drywallers. Any of you out there that do any kind of drywall work, whether it's the mudding, taping, all those things. This is something you're going to want, I think. I came across it while I was looking for something specific, which I'll talk about in a minute. And I just decided this was probably the better route to go. And man, am I glad I got this thing. And this is brought to you by USG. So that's a big time drywall, manufacturer. Makes the mud that I like to use, all those things. And what it is it's a magnetized grip for your stainless steel metal pans. That's what I like to use. I don't like using the plastic pans. I've just always been a fan of the metal pans. Let me know in the comments below, what your favorite pan is, because that's what I was actually searching for when I found this. I was looking for a pan with some grips on them. I've seen some people use those, and they have like a taped grip already basically built into them. And what those pans will run you, $30 to $40 in that price range, depending upon what brand you get and what size they are. Whereas this by itself is only $18, and it just slaps onto your pan just like that. So then now, if I want to use a 12-inch pan, I can use my 12-inch pan, but I can also take that off and, get my 14-inch pan if I want to use a 14-inch and just swap it. So I don't have to buy multiple pans with grip on it to be able to have this. It's got this texture on it right here. Maybe you can see that, but man, it makes such a difference. And then now also, whenever I go to clean my pan, and you can let me know this in the comments below too, because it's another reason why I went with this, because I could imagine, I haven't owned any of the grip pans, but I could imagine they're harder to clean because I would think that grip would hold onto your mud. So now I can just take this thing off and clean this separate if I want to, and clean the pan separate. And then this thing just folds up, and fits back into my bag. But another big difference of this to me is with it being wintertime right now, and that's the whole reason why I was looking for something with grip, is that the water coming into the house or the job site is going to be a lot colder because it's in that cold ground outside. So then you mix that cold water, that makes your mud cold. You put your mud in your metal pan becomes cold. And then you hold this all day long, your hands get cold, and then it gets slippery with the water and the mud. So this right here kind of creates a little bit of a break between that cold and your hand. So it keeps my hand a little bit warmer throughout the day, and I just got a whole lot better grip on it. So it's just a simple thing, 18 bucks. But man, I think it's so much worth it. If you do this very often, I think that you'd be well off to look at this. Now, I know Marshmallow Town also has one that's like $7, but it's always sold out. I looked around for it for a while, and it just never is in stock. And the reviews on it, they talked about the magnets, some of the magnets coming out on that, versus this one's got a lot better reviews on Amazon. So I mostly bought this one because it's USG. I like their products, and I felt like it had better reviews. So I decided to go with this one. But let me know in the comments below if you've used something like this and how the durability's worked out for you. I've only used it for a little while now, but man, it's just so easy. You can even just take your mud pan and just set it on there like that. Boom, ready to go. It's that simple. But let me know in the comments below if you've got it, how well it's held up over time. Also, the grip pans, if you like those or not, let us know that in the comments below as well. But hope this was useful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.